Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's video I created another look using the Jackie Aina X ABH palette. I'm about to go on a date with my fiance tonight, which is why I'm dressed up. You guys can't see, but I have on a dress, and I decided let me go ahead and film this makeup look while I'm getting ready. And I really like the way that it came out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you tap the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. And yeah, go ahead and stay tuned to see how I achieve this makeup look.